The strangest part is, no one expected this cave to behave the way it does. In a remote area of China, there is a cave with an echo unlike anything scientists have studied before. When people speak inside it, the sound doesn't return the same way. Sometimes the echo changes tone, sometimes it comes back delayed, and sometimes it responds from a completely different direction. Researchers tried mapping the sound waves, but the patterns didn't match the cave's structure. Even more disturbing, two people standing side by side can hear different echoes at the same time. To this day, scientists still cannot fully explain how the sound behaves inside this cave. And the strangest part is, the cave is completely silent until you speak.